Good. What sign can you see again?
Sharp bend.
And?
Right.
Now if I say to you turn left, what will you do? We're going to be turning left.
Carry on going.
But what else you need to be doing?
I don't know.
Mirrors and signal. Can you see there's a line there?
Yeah.
What does that line means for you?
I don't know. Is it not give way for this side traffic coming
We'll
down?
talk about this in a minute now, so you understand this better. Right, now think about it. When you says give way lines, apart from the roundabouts, usually when you're driving on built up areas, how many give way lines are there? Was it 1 or 2? Usually
2.
good. But if you notice what happened there, when we took this left lane, there was only 1 lane there. So it's kind of,
Is that to stop?
no, so it's basically splitting the 2 different roads. For example, that road where we were initially driving, if we would not have signal to go left, we would have carried on following the road. I think that one is Oak.
Right, yeah, 'cause it goes
so
round.
that means that is Oak
Yeah.
Grove Road. For example, let's say this road is ABC Road. So what we just did, we change our lane from Oak Grove Road to the ABC lane.
Yeah,
Now, because we're changing our lane, what do we need to do?
Signal.
Now, what if you change your lane without signaling? What is a potential risk in there?
Crash. Them cars gonna think I'm going round.
Correct. So the oncoming car, like those cars are going, now they think that you are going around, so they're going to stop the car. That one thing. What about the cars behind you? Because you're not signaling, also where they're thinking where you're going.
Round.
And then you all of a sudden change your mind. So that means that they might not be prepared. What about the pedestrians?
Oh yeah, they won't know.
What if, imagine you are standing there, and you want to cross a road, you're watching me coming there, and you see me no signaling, you're going to start, and the next thing I know, I'm hitting you.
Yeah.
You see what about a cyclist, motorcyclist, yeah? Partially blind people, all these people will get the benefit of your signal. So do you understand how easily that's done?
Yeah,
Would you remember this next time?
I hope so.
Any confusion on this?
No.
No. So that was the first area which I want to clear. But what's important, now you cannot argue that I didn't know that, because you did have a triangle warning sign,
Yeah.
which have got 2 meanings in there. One is follow the road, and a small knob telling you to left lane if you need to. Now if you're going to be using the sat nav in this route in your exam, now sat nav for some reason don't say turn left, it says bear left.
Right, okay.
Just remember that.
Yeah, left.
Okay, same meanings. Some good examiners may help you as well though. But if the sat nav give you no instructions, where are you going then?
Right round.
Following the road. Well done.